Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing another lead code problem 142 linked list cycle 2. We have already done linked list cycle 1. This is a medium one. Given the head of the linked list, return the node where the cycle begins. If there is no cycle, return null. So in the previous linked list cycle, we know that we have to just return a boolean that if there is a cycle, return true, and if there is not a cycle, return false. But in this case we have to return the node where the cycle begins. So this 4 points to this true, so from here the cycle begins, and we have to just return the node where the cycle begins. So let's get started. So we'll be having a slow pointer and a fast pointer and a start pointer. So they all will be started from the head. Okay, so again, if there is not a head to begin with, we will just return none. Okay, now we will see like if while past dot next is not null and past dot next not null 2 dot next, and we will just increment our slow pointer by 1 like we did in the previous problem. So fast is equal to fast dot next, so this will be hitting just 2 pointers at a time. So next dot next, and if there is a point where the slow pointer equals fast pointer, then we know we have a cycle, because only in a cycle these 2 pointers are going to meet. In a singly linked list which will have the last pointer pointing to null, there is no way these 2 pointers are going to meet, because they are going on a different pace. This pointer is moving 1 pointer ahead at a time, and this pointer is moving 2 pointers at a time. So now what we will do is, while our start is not equal to the slow pointer, incrementing our slow by 1. So slow will be equal to slow dot next, and then we will increment the head pointer which will be the start pointer. Start is equal to start dot next, so this will just put us to 2, because 2 is point up 2 is the index 1, and head will be start will be starting from the head. So slow at now at this point is at 4, and this 4 will point in the next iteration to 2, and start is at 3. In the next iteration it will be in the same iteration, basically it will point to 2. And now we can just say like return start, and after going out we can say return none. So that's it. So what will be happening here is, if we are going to have a linked list like this, and suppose 5 is pointing to 2, then obviously we are going to have a slow pointer starting from the start, and pass pointer, and a t pointer. You can say this is the starting pointer. So slow pointer will be moving ahead 1 by 1, so it will be moving by 1. Fast pointer will be moving by 2. So now they are not equal. Again the loop will execute slow pointer by 1, fast pointer, because 5 is pointing to this 2. 5, this f is coming back to 2, because we'll be incrementing it by 2. Slow pointer will be incrementing by 1, will be incremented by 1. Fast pointer will be incremented by 2. Now they both are same. What we want to do is just increment our starting pointer till it is not equal to slow. So slow pointer will be incremented, and we know that this 5 points to 2, so it will be like here. And now if we increment our starting pointer, these 2 pointers are on the same location, so start is equal to slow. So this condition will be false, so this loop will not execute this time. And we know that we have a start pointer at the point where the linked list begins, so we will just return the start pointer, and that's it.